How to redeem or use One4all Gift Card online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to redeem or use One4all Gift Card, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar search for one4all.com. You will be led to the official webpage of One4all. On the top right, you will see the option for login. Tap on that. Now go ahead and enter your email address and your password and then tap on the login button if you are an existing customer. Once you are logged into your account from the main home page, scroll down and you will see One4all retail partners list. If you want to use One4all gift card, then firstly look for the pointer icon in the retail partners and now go ahead and choose one of the retailers from the list, but make sure that it has a pointer icon on the list. I have selected white and green here. Now tap on the visit whiteandgreenhome.com link you see there. The link will vary depending on the retailer you choose. The link will be available for all the retailers just below their name. So tap on that. You will now be taken to a new tab. I have been led to the official webpage of White and Green. You will see the option for My Account on the top right corner. Tap on that and then tap on the Sign In button. Make sure to log into your account before moving further, so go ahead and enter your email address and your password and tap on the login button. You will now be able to see the products available in the website. Go ahead and tap on any of the products you would like to purchase and redeem the gift card on. Now tap on the Add to Cart option and then tap on Proceed to Checkout. In this interface, you will need to provide your contact information, so go ahead and fill in the required details. And now to redeem your One4all gift card, tap on the text box you see on the right and enter your gift card or discount code details available on the back of your gift card and then tap on apply, and this is how you can redeem your One4all gift card online. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.